Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. Today we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung TV that comes to repair with the fault picture OK no sound problem. Here we already opened the TV back cover. While checking using the multimeter, we found that the speaker doesn't shows continuity in buzzer mode. This means that both speakers are damaged, so here the only solution is speaker replacement. So here we take another pair of speakers from similar TV. See, while checking with multimeter it shows continuity. Here you can hear the buzzer sound. This means that these speakers are working properly. So here we can now replace the entire speakers with this. Now the speakers are fixed and installation is completed. Due to copyright issues, we can't play the audios now. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.